Kooler Things Shiatsu heated foot and calf massager machine to relieve sore feet, ankles, calves, and legs, deep kneading therapy, relaxation vibration, and rolling and stimulates blood circulation. High-quality construction. We have created this foot and calf massager with a user-friendly design. Our leg massager comes with a removable and washable cover that allows for cleaning to maintain good hygiene. It is painted with high-quality piano paint and features a humanized handle design, making it easy to move from one place to another. Multiple massage functions. Our Shiatsu massager is specifically designed to massage your calves, ankles, soles, and feet at the same time. This foot massager offers multiple massages like plantar scraping, instep kneading, calf kneading, and calf scraping. Heating system. To promote optimal foot health, we have designed this foot and calf massager with heating and negative ion function. The heating function will give you a slightly warm feeling near your toes and help to relieve aching feet after a long day. LCD touch display. Our leg massager comes with an easy-to-use LCD control panel. This Shiatsu foot massager is equipped with 3 massage modes, heating levels and vibration levels. You can set the time and mode according to your preference and enjoy a soothing massage. Relax and rejuvenate your body. This foot therapy massager helps to unwind and soothe your body. It helps to stimulate blood circulation, ease tension, reduce stress, relieve sore and tired feet, and tone your legs beautifully. https://healthy1.life/calf